I'm going to make a regular hex cam using parametric constraints. The width of the regular hex cam is D, which is our nominal diameter, and the full length of that is, the half length, of course, is 1/2 D, and so that's what I'll be using when I set up my hexagon. Then the axle is 3/16 of an inch, as is the thickness. So go to part. Again, let's go to the parametrics, user parameters, and add a D with a 2-inch value, and start a sketch in the XY plane. And over under rectangle, I'm going to change this to polygon. 6 is what it usually defaults to, which is a hexagon, so that's okay. And then I'm going to start at my circle and go out, and you'll note I had it's easier to dimension this if I put my the corner of this right on this x-axis in here. Now it really doesn't matter where I put this because I haven't put any dimensions in yet, and so I'm just going to left click, and then I'm done with the hexagon. So here's where I put the dimension in. I'm going to start at the center to this edge here, and that length is, of course, D divided by 2, which is our 1/2 D mark. And so under my parametric constraints, again, I have a user parameter of D is 2 inches. The first parameter D0 is that width is 1/2 D, so that's 1 inch. Looking back at this, so I've got 1/2 D. The really only other thing I need to put in here is the circle in the middle, so let's do that. Put the circle in, start at the middle, and then this is a diameter. I'm making sure, yes, I'm in diameter mode. So let's go back, put in my diameter of 3/16 of an inch, and I'm done. So let's go finish sketch, and let's extrude this. 3/16 of an inch again is my thickness, and then okay. And that is the hex cam using parametric constraints. Again, let's go to iProperties and change this to ABS plastic, and update it. And again, take your snip and submit this with the rest of them in Google Slide, please. There you go.